Introducing the JBL PartyBox 310 by Harman speaker. It is available in black color. The speaker comes with 240-watt sound output that provides massive and deep bass. It also comes with built-in sound effects like clapping, scratches, horns, barking and more. It features strobe lights that synced with the beat of the music provide dynamic light shows to add impact to the party. It also features a built-in karaoke mode and a true wireless stereo mode with a dual microphone. It comes with a telescopic handle and built-in smooth glide wheels that make it portable. It features IPX4 SPLASHPROOF protection. It is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that provides 18 hours of playtime under optimal audio settings. It supports Bluetooth 5.1, wireless pairing, aux port, guitar inputs and USB port. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Hi Anthony.
Hey Ruth,
Why are you upset?
my JBL speaker isn't working.
Don't worry Anthony. I can help you in getting the speaker issue fixed.
Is it? Tell me how.
You can visit the official website in.jbl.com to locate the nearest service center with the help of your location or city, where our team of technicians will physically check the product and validate for warranty. You will need to physically submit and pick up the product from the authorized service center post-repair is completed. For speakers under warranty, service will be free of cost, whereas speakers out of warranty will be charged for the repair.
Wow, that's really simple.
That's not all. You can also contact Harman JBL customer support on 1-800-102-0525 or chat with the team or send an email from Monday to Sunday between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The product expert will help you with troubleshooting over call, chat or email, after which a service request will be raised. You will receive the request details via SMS to visit the nearest service center where the warranty check is done and the repaired product is shipped to your address.
That's wonderful. You know what? I'll contact the JBL team right away.
Thank you for watching. Harman JBL. Expect brilliance.